Did you know that you can make glue out of garlic oil? I didn't know that either. I also, as I'm researching about garlic a little bit more, am learning so many different things about it. But first off, let's talk about garlic. It is in the family of onions and leeks, a garlic bulb. And in this bulb, there are anywhere between 10 and 20 cloves of garlic. Garlic has been around for thousands of years. It originated in West China, and it's been used for its health qualities since 2600 BC. In fact, it's been used to boost immunity. It was given to soldiers in World War II. It's got so many healthy qualities. You can consume your garlic with the bulb, putting it in your food, using something like this. I use this all the time. But you also can take it by capsule. And I think this is a really good company. It's called Garlic Wise. Not sure if you can see that. So this is a vegetarian capsule. You take one of these a day. Let me show you what they look like. You don't burp it, you don't taste it. It's just a very easy supplement to take. I will put the information below. They also have other products with garlic in them. This is a topical, and this is a glycerin-based topical type of kind of thick lotion, cream, ointment that just blends right in. What's been shown to be the best way to get rid of garlic breath? Chewing on lettuce, chewing on mint leaves, and apples, raw apples. So those are the three things that seem to help the most. Why is garlic so healthy? What is it about it? So apparently allicin is the compound that's responsible for the health benefits of garlic. Garlic's considered an antioxidant, so allicin, the main compound in it, is a sulfur compound. It contains vitamin C, vitamin B6, manganese, and selenium. It helps boost immunity. It works great together with zinc, and again, I will put a lot of the information down below. Cats are having fun. One thing I wanted to tell you, though, to really pay attention to is that garlic is something to be used together in your regimen of health. And it's not, in my opinion, to substitute what your doctor, nurse practitioner, PA has told you. So if you have strep throat or you have group B strep, I'm reading there are some articles out there that talk about how beneficial supplemental garlic is for those infections, but among many other infections. But don't substitute taking this to treat your strep throat or your preeclampsia or your pneumonia for the antibiotics that your provider might give you. Talk to your provider about how much garlic you can take to help with your heart health, to help with if you have cancer, but I'm not saying that you should take one instead of the other. I think that you need to talk to your doctor and use it as a beneficial supplement. So how about some fun facts? Okay, I'm going to read these to you. I'm going to start with the one that I thought was really cool. What's the heaviest head bulb of garlic? What's the heaviest one? It was in 1985, 2 pounds, 10 ounces. And what I thought was really interesting about this is, if you remember from my previous video about prematurity and so forth, my son was born, he was 2 pounds, 10 ounces. He was born 3 months early. So that was interesting. Okay, so that's the heaviest bulb. Next, during World War II, garlic was given to the wounded soldiers, but it was called Russian penicillin. So, back then, you need everything you can get your hands on. Garlic is beneficial, no doubt. Did you know there's a phobia? Fear of garlic, because it's called allicin. Allium phobia, one word, means the fear of garlic. All right, fun fact. China grows 2/3 of the world's garlic. And how much do they grow? 46 billion pounds a year. Garlic was brought to Great Britain in 1548 from the Mediterranean Sea. So it helps with so many different things. And there are articles out there that are going to show you that garlic's beneficial for cardiovascular health, for blood pressure, for immunity. And I think it's an outstanding thing to incorporate into your cooking. It's healthy. There's no doubt it's healthy. But like anything, it doesn't mean that you substitute it for your illness or injury. Okay, so I hope this was fun and very helpful.